It's great. Where I come from. Been a long time, been a lonely time.
My favorite band of all time. Well, them and the Eagles.
Here we go. I think this is the build-up.
You're missing it.
Look at all that pollution.
Last year, wasn't it just like bang, 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 bang?
At the end it will,
Yeah.
yeah. I think they probably just started to tell you the truth.
Every Friday in Atlanta, Publix hosts a fireworks display at the Braves Stadium. Yeah. It was worth watching. It was good. Play the best of Queen. It's pretty funny. Yeah, it was funny.
Right here, cover you up, big baby. Big baby.
Hey, little girl.
Here, I'm gonna roll the windows up so that way she ain't gonna hear it.
She's gonna hear it.
Yeah, she'll hear it either way. It won't matter. It's a good thought, though.
Oh. We're gonna get this done and then I'll see you.
I think it's the best angle.
Yeah.
It's like this is the way they intended it to be seen from this side.
Yeah.
So I think we
Like
lucked out.
Yeah.
Are they being launched from the aquarium?
No, the Space Needle.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Because there's people up on top of the Space Needle.
That's who's setting them off.
They look like a bunch of tourists. Nice.
Wow. Oh, that's pretty. You hear them echoing off the mountaintop?
Mm-hmm. Sure, the bears must love this. They're like, what the hell is going on? And why are they making so much noise around my garbage can? Can't I eat in peace? big ones.
Big one.
You know who made that famous, don't you? Al Bundy from Married with Children. You sit on the couch and read Big and Nicely. You ever watch that show Clean Up?
Yeah, where they take on people's houses.
I tell you what, that's an addictive show. I could rent that on DVD and watch it all day long. I don't like that kind of show normally, but just seeing how filthy these people are and how attached they are to their literally garbage is just so interesting to me to see that, you know, and then also to see how they react to being transformed.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a huge thing. I just can't imagine ever letting it go that bad.
My grandparents are pack rats.
So am I now. I was thinking about videotaping their house in Nashville. Yeah, they need it now. They used to keep everything straight, but the last 5, 6 years they've gotten old and weird. And for example, you ever heard of McCoy pottery?
Yeah.
They have 6, maybe 10 of each and every McCoy pottery model in existence stacked up all around their house with shit crammed into each of them.
Yeah. Jewelry and whatever.
Oh, you don't know what's falling in there.
Yeah.
Dust. Then you go down in the basement and it's just piles of stuff. And there is some order to it, but
You have to grandmother where something is, she'll probably go right to it.
she knows where everything is.
My grandmother.
But I got to tell you, I can't stay there. It's filthy. Yeah. It's getting good now. Nice.